9 to 5, put the work in. Flaws and all, I love them all.
Okay, y'all, we saved the best for last. Eyebrows. Have you ever did a full look and just waited to the end of your eyebrows? If you have never done that, try it. That's gonna let you know. That separates the beginners from the advanced, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. I have nothing on my eyebrows. I'm just gonna use a pencil. I've been more in my pencil phase. It's actually easier to use a pencil when you wait to the end. Right, so I'm gonna go in and we're gonna draw. Now, there's two ways you can do this. You can kind of draw lines and then do the outline, or you can do the outline and then draw lines. Actually, I guess I just do it depending on my mood. You already see it's looking good. Now, I like that a pencil gives you a little bit more control. A thin pencil, it kind of controls your strokes and your motion and how you can do things. Okay. Let's just go in and comb it in. Let's go over here to this side. Now this, I also didn't tell you guys, this only really works when your eyebrows are groomed, okay? But if they're not groomed in terms of waxed or shaved, and you still are able to do this, let your girl know in the comments below. Let's see. Now I got a mirror right here, so you always want to make sure you're stepping back and looking into your mirror as well. I'm liking the results, honey. All right. Baby, now let me go style my